Hello kids, it's story time. Today, let's listen to a Christmas story, Little Blue Truck's Christmas, written by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Beep beep beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now, there are 4 green Christmas trees. Goodbye, goose. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Here you are. And now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Here you are, and goodbye. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Meh, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck! Little Blue Truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep beep beep. This one is for me.